Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reset your N8n password. If you need to update your password for security reasons or simply forgot it and want to set a new one, this straightforward process will help you regain control of your account quickly and securely. To get started, open your browser and navigate to n8n.io. Once you're on the N8n homepage, you'll see the login fields where you need to type in your current credentials. Enter your email address and password. Then click the login button. This will authenticate your account and redirect you to your N8n dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your workflow automation activities. Now that you're on the dashboard, shift your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the settings option. Click on it to access the configuration menu where you can manage various aspects of your N8n account. This section is essential for personalizing your experience and maintaining account security. Once the settings menu opens, you'll see several categories listed. From these options, click on Personal. This will take you directly to your account or personal settings page where you can view and modify your profile information, preferences, and security settings. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area as it contains important tools for managing your account effectively. On the personal settings page, scroll down until you locate the security section. Under this section, you'll find a link labeled Change Password. Click on this link to begin the password reset process. This feature is designed to help you maintain strong account security by allowing you to update your credentials whenever necessary. You'll now be presented with a password change form. Here you'll see 3 fields that need to be filled out. In the first field, enter your old password. This is the password you're currently using to access your account. Next, in the second field, type in your new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, in the third field, re-enter your new password for confirmation. This step ensures that you haven't made any typing errors and that both entries match perfectly. Once you've filled in all 3 fields and double-check that everything is correct, click on the Change Password button. The system will process your request and update your credentials immediately. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your N8n password and secured your account with updated credentials. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.